Justice D.Y. Chandrachud's retirement as the Chief Justice of India marks an end of an era. In his tenure, he decriminalized adultery, opened the Sabrimala temple to women of all ages, struck down the controversial electoral bonds, and in a significant judgment, while not extended the special marriage framework to same-sex couples, he ruled that they cannot be denied basic rights which other citizens enjoy. And not to forget, Justice Chandrachud was also part of the 5-judge Supreme Court bench that delivered the historic Ayodhya verdict back in November 2019. Will history be kind to him? We will know in the days to come. But today, as he signed off, he became emotional to an extent where he bowed before his colleagues and sought apology for hurting anyone through his words and actions. In his parting speech, the judge, as they call him, the rock star judge, also took a dig at his trolls, saying that he's the most trolled judge ever and that he is wondering what will all of those trollers do from Monday. Listen in to Justice Chandrachud.
What makes us stick as judges is the impact which we have on the lives of common citizens. Just yesterday, last week, Brother Pardiwala, Brother Misra and I had passed an order allowing for 2 visually challenged candidates to appear at the interview of the Rajasthan Judicial Service Examination. They were ousted on the ground that they were disabled and they didn't meet the benchmark disability requirement. After they appeared for the interview, we were told that they have qualified and they are in the select list. That's what makes us stick. 2 weeks back, an aspiring doctor with myopathy of the lower limbs was told that his disability is more than 88%, and therefore he was told that he cannot become a doctor. But he had scored so well in the NEET undergraduate examination. 2 medical boards said that he is not worthy of becoming a doctor because his disability is very high, but his mind was brilliant. We got him examined by a 3rd medical board and then passed an interim order that that student must be enrolled to the MBBS this year, and I'm sure that the student will do well. Or what about the student from the IIT Mumbai who was admitted to the IIT Mumbai, a child of a daily wager who was not able to gain admission for the reason that the fee which he had to pay or the documents which he had to upload could not be uploaded within time. We said that he must be given admission. Or a Dalit student who was admitted to the IIT Dhanbad but couldn't conjure up 17,500 rupees to gain admission to IIT Dhanbad. His sister had given him a credit card, but he was not able to operate the credit card. But we gave him admission. What about, we are talking about now, I don't know their names, but I'll give you one more name which all of you know, about Sara Suni, one of the members of your bar, who is both, she suffers from a hearing and a speech impairment, but who needed a sign language interpreter. And we gave her a sign language interpreter. I'm sure all of you are aware of the amount that I have received my share of trolling. I'm probably one of the most trolled individuals and judges across the system. I will only say with a shairi, and the shairi is, मुखालिफ से मेरी शख्सियत संवरती है, मुखालिफ से मेरी शख्सियत संवरती है, मैं दुश्मनों का बड़ा एहतिराम करता हूँ. But on a lighter vein, I'm just wondering what will happen from Monday, because all those who trolled me will be rendered unemployed. About this small house a small flat in Pune. And I asked him, why on earth are you buying a flat in Pune? When are you going to go and stay there? He told me one thing. He said, I know I'm never going to stay there. But he said, I'm not sure how long I will be with you. But do one thing. Keep this flat until the last day of your tenure as a judge. And I said, why is that? So he says, if you feel that your moral integrity or your intellectual integrity is ever compromised, I want you to know that you have a roof over your head.